Hello everyone, this is Group 2. Our app is called Cultivate. This is our logo, and green is our theme. Our group members are Rice, Tian, Kevin, and me, Qingyu.
This is the welcome screen of our app. By going to the Create an Account page, a new user will be shown the password requirements. If a user creates a new account, they will have to activate their account by simply clicking an email verification link. An unverified email address cannot log into an account. The login screen features a checkbox for remembering user credentials, and there is an option to reset the password. The home screen displays the current weather for the device location. Also, there is a drop-down that leads to settings and the logout functionality. In the settings page, the user can change their nickname, they can also change their password, and they can also change the color theme, which will change the color of all the UI elements. Next, let's take a look at the contacts functionality.
Here I have two contacts in my account. I can click this message button to chat with my contact, or I can click this remove button to remove the contact. Here is the add new contact button. It will go to another fragment. Here is the request I received. I can message this user before I accept the request, or click this option button. I can choose accept or decline. If I choose decline the request, it will delete this request in the list. Or I choose accept the request. It will add this new contact in my contact list. To search new contacts, I can type the first name or nickname, no matter lowercase or uppercase. Click search, it will show the result. Also, I can message before I send the request, or click here, send the contact request. Okay, the request is sent.
In our chat tab, you will see a list of the chat room of the login user. You can also click to the chat room to send and read messages. The chat room will be sorted based on the message. That means the chat room with the latest message will display on top. You can also create a new chat room by click to the floating button. In here, you will have the ability to select the member that you want to invite it to the chat room. Also remove if you accidentally select. And then create a name for the chat room. Empty won't be accepted.
For our weather functionality on the home screen, it'll show you the current weather based off your device's location. Then if we go over to the weather tab, it will load in the current weather, hourly weather, and daily weather based off your device's location. Then we can also change to a different area on the map. We can go up here in Canada, and we can see that everything updated appropriately. Then we also have the ability to type in a zip code. And then you'll notice all the weather updated, and it actually brought us to that area on the map for North Dakota.
This project had quite a few roadblocks, which required us to spend a lot of time debugging, in addition to learning new concepts. We were not able to get notifications to fully work, since we had issues getting the top bar pop-ups to show. Also, editing chatroom membership is not implemented, meaning once chatroom is created, we cannot add or remove members. Multiple chatrooms were a challenge to implement because they combined a lot of components, and that made debugging difficult and time-consuming.
Overall, this has been a great experience. We learned to use web services, how HTTP protocols work, CRUD operations, Express, Android development, which are all valuable skills. There was a lot of self-teaching for the project, which is one of the best skills you can develop, learning to navigate the internet and teach yourself. The GitHub project board was also a great tool for keeping us all on the same page. We used Toggle as well, and then between the project board and Toggle, there was literally never any question on who was doing what and when. If we could have done something differently, we could have benefited from starting earlier in Sprint 1. This has been a fun project and class. Thanks for watching.